What up, guys? Welcome back, man. Today we are going to pick right back up on these control arms and stuff for the S10. We left off and we were, getting them cut and doing some trimming and stuff here and there. So I did finish getting these things prepped, and then I just threw them in the sandblaster and just did kind of like a quick just scuff to them, you know what I'm saying? So the paint will actually adhere to it, and I've already hit it with the primer, so we're pretty much ready to go, man. They're hung up, masked off, primered, and I've already got my paint all mixed up. So damn, bro, that actually looks really fire together. I'm digging it. So yes, we are going to be spraying all the control arms and the steering knuckles and everything khaki. Yeah, when I said it was a sentimental color to me, like I may as well just said it was khaki, because you guys seen right through that. I know it's a really weird color for suspension parts. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know, I'm not 100% sold that it's gonna look good, but it's definitely gonna look different. And I like the kind of tribute to khaki and taking something to the S10, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I think either way it's gonna look dope, and in the long run, if I don't end up liking it, we could always do something different later, or hell, I can just freaking rattle can everything black, you know what I'm saying? We are ready to go, bro, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm actually really excited to see what all this is gonna look like. Alright, so I got everything sprayed. I do want to put a clear coat on this. This paint, it dries to like a satin finish. So I don't want this stuff to be satin. I want it to be like a really high gloss that doesn't absorb dirt and stuff, you know what I mean? So it's just really easy to clean. So I want to put a clear coat on it, in which I do have clear coat, but I don't have hardener for my clear coat. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do a little test. I have 4 parts of clear in here, and I have 1 part of this polyurethane hardener. Is that hardener gonna work with the clear coat? I have no idea, but what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and spray something. I gotta find something to just put a little coat of clear coat on, and then I'm gonna come back in like 45 minutes or so and see if it's actually drying. If it's drying, then hell yeah, I'm just gonna send it, bro. Right, so I found this piece of flat bar. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a coat on that. I'll turn that down a little bit. Jesus Christ. There we go. All right, it's been about 40 minutes, and good news, it's freaking drying. Like I said, man, I'm freaking sending it. But what I'm about ready to do, I want to tell you guys, I have tried this before whenever I painted khaki. And if you put too much, it comes out really milky and it changes the color a lot, dude. And I really didn't like it. So I'm going to try to just put a very little bit. But I have this bottle of Pearl I'm gonna put just a little squeeze into the clear coat, just so that it'll have like a little bit of a pearl in it. I don't want it to be too terribly much, because like I said, man, it really like milks out the color like bad, and it changes it like drastically. So I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit in there, so whenever the sun hits it, you can kind of see a little bit of that pearlescence. And this is a white pearl, so I think it's gonna look good on a white truck, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, that was definitely enough. God, hopefully it don't look like shit. Alright, got this stuff all sprayed yesterday, and it's had plenty enough time to dry. So you see how much the pearl completely changes the color of the khaki, man. It's so crazy. I'm gonna come out here in the sun and show you. Definitely got a lot of sparkle in it. If I'm being straight up with you, when it was in the spray booth, it had like it looked different in the spray booth. Now it's out here in the sun, it just takes on a completely different color. You don't think these look pink, do you, Braven?
Look what?
Pink.
No.
Pinkish? Now that I put it in your mind, does it look pink?
No. I don't see pink.
You don't see pink?
It's just because I see the red right there in comparison to it, and it would have to.
No, I kind of felt like a pink vibe before I even put the red up here, but.
Nah, I didn't.
I don't know. It came out nice, dude. I'm digging it. I don't.
Like skin tone.
Yeah, no, it's definitely. I think maybe it's because I'm looking at it through the camera. Maybe. On the camera, it looks a little bit more pinky. Like, yeah, in person, it's definitely kind of like skin tone. Like, though then again, I guess you could say, like, our skin tone kind of has a pink in it.
Yeah. So I said, like, it's kind of like skin tone. That's probably why you're thinking that it's kind of like.
Yeah. I don't know. Throw it in the comments down below what you think. But this is pretty much all the stuff that I have ready to assemble onto the frame. I don't have everything I need in order to put all of the suspension on, of course. As you guys know, I need to get another brake rotor. I have the ball joints, the front 1-inch extended ball joint, so that's good. Oh, we don't have springs. That's a huge one. So the factory springs on this truck, they're not very soft, you know what I mean? These are them right here. It's a very large coil. They don't expand and contract as easily as you would want on the front of a drag car or drag truck. So those springs, for one, they're too stiff, and for two, they've been cut. So this truck was like a lot lower than stock whenever I got it, and that's how he did it, is he cut some coils off that damn spring. So those definitely are not gonna work. I've already ordered a set, so I have a set on the way. We'll cover that whenever they get here. I've also got to get brake lines. There's a lot of little stuff that I have to get, but for the time being, I'm gonna put what it is that we have done on there. All right, well, got all this stuff all ready to go, man. So we're gonna be installing all this in tomorrow's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please do smash the like button. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one.